In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to speed up your reels. You can either put your reels in slow motion or speed them up before posting on Instagram. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Now let's say you want to upload. It's in the normal state. To speed it up, simply tap right here and select on 4x. The reel will show up in speed mode. Now to slow down the video, still click right here and select on 5x. The video will show up in slow motion. Now to edit amazing reels playing with speed and slow motion, tap on next. Click on edit video. Still tap on edit. Now split the video. Tap on the first clip. Select speed. Increase to high speed. Then select the second clip. Slightly reduce the speed. Now check out how this video came out. Well, that's how easy it is to speed up or slow motion reels on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.